This shit gangsta Dymu off in here. Dymu G5. So sick of this rain, man.
Standing in the rain, can't stand this hard pain. I just can't take it. Holes in it and it rain through my umbrella. This heart pain make it rain through my umbrella. This stress kills and it rain through my umbrella. I ask for mercy on my soul and a storm seller.
It's like I'm standing in the rain with nowhere to go. It's cause this pain ain't got complacent, I don't want it though. Sharp pain in my heart, call the ambulance. Been ready to lay that 6 feet, but God got a plan. One put more on me than I could bear, and I understand. Don't think it's no creature stronger than a black man. I can't tell you that I'll see you tomorrow, because tomorrow never promised. Feel the sorrow. I've been changed for the best, but I still feel hurt. The type of pain like when you can't focus on your paperwork. If you was me, you wouldn't get in people's satisfaction, because they gossip and they mess. All they want is action. I bring the truth to the mic, cause I don't feel the fake. And I done helped them all I can, and they still hate. I've been homeless with nowhere to even lay my head. I crawl in the rain so you won't see my tears shed.
Standing in the rain, can't stand this hard pain. I just can't take it. Holes in it and it rain through my umbrella. This heart pain make it rain through my umbrella. This stress kills and it rain through my umbrella. I ask for mercy on my soul and a storm seller.
This rain don't stop, I'm soaking with it like a flash flood. This pain got me like a pit when you taste blood. I ain't ashamed for times I feel I pick myself up and try to get till I succeed, ain't never giving up. I've been a loner since a child, I stayed one deep. Heart pain so deadly like I miss some of my heartbeats. Heartache from chain of events in my life cycle. Don't wanna live, just take my head with that sniper rifle. This umbrella that I got won't stop the rain fall. A cigarette to stop the stress tastes like a Pall Mall. I didn't ask to be here, so I gotta be a reason. Think I was born with this pain, even through bottle beat. I'm on my knees so prayed up and just asking for mercy. How you don't know me but still wanna physically hurt me? It's been a minute since I even seen the sunshine. You think I'm scared to lose my life? Better check my bloodline.
Standing in the rain, can't stand this hard pain. I just can't take it. Holes in it and it rain through my umbrella. This heart pain make it rain through my umbrella. This stress kills and it rain through my umbrella. I ask for mercy on my soul and a storm seller.